I'm going to show you how to connect to Excel within Slingshot to create dashboards right off your Excel files. So within My Analytics and Data Sources, I'm going to come up here to add a data source. Now we have data files right up here where you will select data file. And what we do is you can add now any of your cloud providers from right here in order to access your Excel files. But you do need to grant access first to Slingshot. Just hit accept to be able to read those files. So I do have an Excel file right here, so I will select this. I will select and continue. I can give my Excel file a different name if I wanted to. I can give it a description and add my data source. And just like that, I now have an Excel file within Slingshot to create dashboards off of.